Then we get snow on top of that, and it just becomes a nightmare.
There are going to be people skating down the roads.
I have no doubt.
Hopefully on ice skates and not in your car.
I have no doubt tomorrow, YouTube, you will see people that are literally skating down their street. Like, you know, it's going to be Mark Spitz out there. No, Mark Spitz was a... Wait, who's the guy that was a skater? Mark Spitz was a swimmer. Eric Heiden. Is that right? Yeah, anyway, I got my Olympics confused there.
What would Brian Boitano do?
I don't know. I'm going to call weather timeout now and say...
Let's go back to this cold front. Let's stick to what we're good at.
Yeah, we're terrible at sports, apparently.
Leave the figure skaters away. We'll go back to the cold front.
The point's still the same. It's going to be cold, and you're going to get some use out of your ice skates that you probably haven't gotten any out of this year. All right, there's a look at the low basically sitting up in here, Mark, in the front, you know, obvious where it is, the differentiation in color there. 81 in Jackson, 39 in Little Rock, 71 Atlanta, 45 in Nashville. So we know changes are coming as this entire front eventually overtakes much of the southeast. The only state that probably won't feel the impacts in the next 24 hours is Florida, but I still even think North Florida does cool down some. The Panhandle will. I mean, Panama City will cool down and Pensacola will cool down, but Jacksonville tomorrow afternoon will be almost 80 degrees, whereas Atlanta doesn't even hit 40.
Yeah, Atlanta going from the mid-70s today to the upper 30s tomorrow, and of course that's your high at night in the 20s. Right. So any water on the ground throughout the southeast will freeze over and freeze over quickly.
It should. You know, and I look at a place like Nashville tomorrow afternoon at just 28 degrees. So we spend the entire day basically below freezing tomorrow in Nashville. So any precip you get, you know, later on this evening that's initially rain quickly goes over to something frozen and stays that way for quite some time. All right, there's a look at the forecast. We'll time it out for you. I think tomorrow's real tough for us. Say Jackson, actually really near Corpus Christi all the way toward New York. And then freezing rain becomes an issue for us out in the Outer Banks, the Piedmont of North Carolina, Charlotte and Raleigh. We end up getting sleet now, so that's no fun tomorrow night. And there's a look at the forecast for snow, a wide swath of 1 to 3. Concerned about this 3 to 5 that may encompass Memphis as well as Nashville. And then not far from Nashville, we'll have 8 inches to a foot of snow, and I think Kentucky bears the brunt of that snow. It's not the bluegrass state anymore.
And that's after seeing 2 inches of rain, which is problematic on its own. Not only because of that glaze of ice under everything, but because you can't put down the salt treatment and the brine.
No, it washes away. I mean, if they're doing that now, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of money because it just all washes right down the storm drains. But here's what happens then as it goes into the Delmarva, right into Philadelphia, 5 to 8 inches of snow. It looks like the sweet spot, the heavy band that sets up is probably south of New York, even though we are in a winter storm warning. The heaviest will probably be south of us. There's a look at the timing here. I'm going to stop this tomorrow morning. Let's stop it right around rush hour tomorrow and look at this. Heavy snow here, New York, Philadelphia, Charleston, all the way down to Nashville and Memphis. Look at the real estate here with that heavy snow band that nails us at rush hour tomorrow. So we're talking tens upon tens of millions of people that will have a nightmare commute tomorrow from the south to the northeast.
And with temperatures continuing to fall through the day, whatever falls and sticks will stay there. Mother Nature not helping out in this case.
No, absolutely not. So initially we've got some rain in New York. We've been talking about the whole time, Mark. That's exactly what we're forecasting. But by pre-rush hour, we're down below freezing, and everything sticks in New York, and it actually snows right through the evening drive tomorrow, so we get nailed on both ends of our commutes tomorrow.
Yeah, and you notice 5 p.m. colder than 5 a.m.
Yeah, 24
big changes
degrees.
through the day. Viv, over to you.
All right, that's important to know. Thanks very much, guys. And we thank you for joining us for our coverage of Winter Storm Thor. It continues. We're with you throughout the night to make sure that you know everything you need to know as you make plans for the days ahead. Keep it tuned right here. Dave Swartz and Alex Wilson up next to take you through the evening hours. Stay safe, everyone.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 46 degrees with showers. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, periods of rain. Some sleet may mix in late. Low 35. Rainfall near a ½ inch. For Thursday, cloudy with snow. High 35. 5 to 8 inches of snow expected. Our 7-day outlook.